In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Jira Kanban board. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking to refine your project management skills, understanding how to personalize and effectively manage a Kanban board can be a game changer in organizing tasks and streamlining your workflow. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into the steps to get your Kanban board customized in just a few minutes. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Jira. This is done by going to the Your Work section once you're logged in. This starting point is essential because it's where you'll access all your active projects, allowing you to quickly dive into the one that you wish to edit. If you have multiple projects, you'll see them listed here, so take a moment to identify which project's Kanban board needs some fine tuning. Once you're in the Your Work section, locate and select the specific Kanban project you wish to edit. This step starts the journey of transforming your board into a more effective and streamlined tool. If you are someone who often juggles multiple projects, it might be helpful to use a naming convention that helps you easily identify each board at a glance to avoid any confusion. After clicking on your desired project, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll notice three small dots, commonly referred to as the More Options button. Clicking these dots is like opening a toolbox. It gives you access to various settings and configurations that you can adjust to better suit your needs. This step is crucial as it lays the groundwork for the configuration process of your board. Having clicked on the three dots, the next step is selecting Configure Board from the drop-down menu. This selection transports you to the customization hub of your Kanban board. Here is where the real magic happens, and you get the reins to make your board reflect the exact workflow that matches your team's or your own working style. It's important to take a little time to explore this area if it's your first visit. Familiarizing yourself with the different options available can empower you to use the board more effectively. Now, you will find yourself in a space where you can edit existing columns, or even add new ones. Columns on a Kanban board are your organizational lifeline. Each column represents a different stage of your project, from to do to in progress to done, and customizing these allows you to create a workflow that makes sense for your team and improves productivity. Perhaps you need an additional column for tasks that are awaiting approval, or maybe you want to remove a column that no longer serves a purpose. The choice is yours. While editing, consider how your team typically moves tasks through the workflow. Do they require a column for review, or maybe you need a blocked column to highlight tasks that have hit an obstacle? Tailoring your board with your team's specific work habits in mind will ensure tasks move smoothly from start to finish and help quickly identify bottlenecks in the process. It's essential to note that not all team members may have the necessary permissions to make changes to the board's configuration. If you find yourself unable to edit or add columns, reach out to your Jira admin. They can provide the access or permissions needed to ensure you can customize the board as you see fit. Once you are satisfied with your edits, don't forget to save changes. A simple oversight like not saving adjustments can result in lost time and effort. Saving locks in your tweaks and lets team members see and use the newly organized board when they next log in. Editing your Jira Kanban board is not a one-time task. Projects evolve and so should your board. Make it a habit to periodically review and adjust your boards as necessary to keep up with changing needs and maintain an effective project management flow. And there you have it, your Jira Kanban board should now be customized to more effectively align with your team's workflow. Tailoring it this way can greatly assist in managing tasks, setting priorities more clearly, and enhancing overall productivity. Remember, the key to a successful Kanban board is its flexibility. It's all about creating a system that suits you and your team best. Thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to subscribe for more project management tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might need a little Jira wisdom in their toolset. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy managing and see you next time.